Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and insights. Explore the Index Exchange platform with us, a comprehensive review covering its usage and overall experience. Find direct links to Index Exchange in the description below. Index Exchange stands as a prominent global advertising exchange, offering cutting-edge header bidding technology and real-time programmatic advertising solutions. Tailored for publishers, advertisers, and media buyers, it aims to maximize both advertising revenue and operational efficiency. Index Exchange cultivates a transparent, independent, and high-performance marketplace, effectively linking premium publishers with top-tier demand sources. For publishers, Index Exchange provides server-side header bidding, which minimizes latency and boosts page load speed while simultaneously enhancing auction efficiency. The platform seamlessly integrates with pre-bid systems, fostering fair and open competition among demand partners. This translates to increased CPMs, cost per mil, improved fill rates, and optimized yield management. Furthermore, the exchange's analytics dashboard delivers real-time performance insights, empowering publishers to make data-driven decisions that maximize revenue. On the advertiser side, Index Exchange grants access to high-quality, fraud-free inventory from premium publishers. Supporting diverse ad formats, including display, video, and connected TV, CTV, it ensures cross-device reach and high engagement. The platform's AI-powered auction mechanics optimize bidding strategies to improve ROI, return on investment, while upholding brand safety and transparency. A key differentiator for Index Exchange is its unwavering commitment to transparency and efficiency. Unlike many other ad exchanges, it operates on a fully fee-transparent model, eliminating hidden markups. This allows advertisers to understand precisely where their budget is allocated, while publishers receive the highest possible revenue share. For brands prioritizing privacy and compliance, Index Exchange adheres fully to GDPR, CCPA, and other industry regulations, ensuring all transactions are secure and privacy-centric. The platform also supports identity solutions such as Unified ID 2.0 and LiveRamp, enabling advertisers to effectively target audiences in a cookieless environment. Leveraging advanced header bidding, premium inventory access, and a steadfast commitment to transparency, Index Exchange presents a compelling choice for publishers striving to maximize ad revenue and advertisers seeking high-quality programmatic placements. If a powerful, independent ad exchange aligns with your needs, Index Exchange provides the efficiency, scalability, and performance you're looking for. For further information, explore the links provided in the description.